At the end of this shit, I'm gonna show something for y'all to scan because we are giving away a Dr. Green Thumb experience. Some motherfuckers out on tour, so make sure you scan that code when it comes up. So you can come down to Cali and get some of those fucking Dr. Green Thumb flavors, you know what I'm saying? Insane to the brain. Pay attention, don't get too stoned and forget. But if you smoke our weed, you might start having this. Some people tell me that I need help. Some people can fuck off and go to hell. Can't want to criticize me now. It is on the rise and my family describe me. Fuck up and feed them, cause I don't need them. I won't join them, feel like I feed them. They don't understand my logic. To my cat, to my money, and I'm hooked on chronic. I never wanted to hurt another, unless it comes flexing that trigger. I dig ya. Cat raised on the east side of town. Now you're 6 feet underground. From man to the dust to the ashes. All to remember, tell me what the cash is. Click clack, barrel was at my dome. If all the loot, boy, you ain't going home, but I ain't going out on a bounce. What da da da, what da 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 da, hey. I'm having illusion, all confusion, driving me mad inside. I'm having illusion, all confusion, fucking me under my mind. I'm having illusion, all confusion, driving me mad inside. I'm having illusion, fucking me up in my mind. Motherfuckers keep driving me up the wall. Forget I fall, but they can get the ball. Red jacket, racket, in the padded room with the punk who gon' stand back it. Distracted from all reality. Now I'm let out on a minor technicality. They all fucked up now, cause they let the local back on the streets up. I'm looking for all you like me, living in my own world to my own degree. I'm the loose in the city, looking at the girl with the big titties, looking at me and I feel shitty. A little pent up, getting hot. She looks like my girl who got smoked at the crack spot. I'm trying to find ways to cope, but I ain't going out with a gay go. I'm having illusions, all the confusion driving me mad inside. I'm having illusions, all the confusion fucking me